Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Astroneer. And today, I think last episode we were gonna go to Glacio, and because we went to Calidor last episode, so I think we're gonna go to Glacio and farm some bites, so we can explore some more. Gather malachite. We need to gather the malachite in order to trigger the Glacio expedition logistics department thing. Okay. So let's take this tractor and go find a cave. Ooh. That might run out of power really soon. I don't know. Tractors are good for like research samples. I think we need more tethers. I think that's what's up. I think you might have to go back down into the mines. For compound. Ugh, that was close. Almost fell down into the hole there. Okay. Aluminum. We probably also need more aluminum so we can make a buggy soon. I'm just trying, honestly, to remember what we were doing last episode. Um, cause we went to Calidor last episode. So, I think, yeah, we just need to start the logistics depot quest for Glacio. Oh, and I need a work light, jeez. Dark is all. Okay, ugh. It's like I'm trying not to fall into the deep, dark, deep, dark. I love terraforming planets. Okay, let's see if we can even make it back up. Yeah, we definitely need more copper so we can, one, get that work light, because I am telling you, this is not a way to live with no light. Ugh. And we also need it for the quest. So, ooh. Let's go back up, make some more tethers, and let's lead our way to a mountain. Okay. Tethers? No. Tethers, yes. You know what? Let's just make 3 tethers. The more the better. Just have it on small generator. Then I think we genuinely just need to head this way. Let's get some more bites while we're at it, because we are, I think, desperately low. Yeah. It's so weird when you transfer saves from, like, Switch to PC. I went from, like, having, like, 30,000 bytes to having only, like, 600. It's sad. I want my bytes back. But I must. I must start a new save on my PC. Well, computer. Ah, there's compound. That would have been a lot easier than going down to the mines. Okay. Ooh, more bites. And yeah, malachite's all the way up there. Any down here? Please? Okay. We have to get up there so we can get the malachite. Oh, this is so hard. Oh, okay, this is gonna take forever. Oh, okay, the surface is right there. Oh, it's not that close. Okay. Let's keep on digging. Oh, come on. Okay, there. Malachite, anywhere near me? I swear I saw it. Oh, it's all the way up there. Let's go over here. See what's going on over on this side of the neighborhood. Oh, oh, a channel. Nice. Anything? Well, might as well. Man, this is a very long tunnel. Ah, and it ends in a dead end. Let's just post a tether here, just in case. And let's run back. Run. Okay. Malachite. Came here for malachite. Where's the malachite, though? Oh, I think it's closer up. Okay. Tether? Hello? Okay. Ugh. More digging. How fun. Ugh. I don't want bounce vine seed. I want my tether. Uh. Ugh. More upwards digging. No, my tether. Okay. Where is this malachite? Where? Ugh, more digging. Sometimes this game can be so slow. But, alas, it is very fun. Okay. Oh. Move these over to... Oh, jeez, I am almost out of tethers. That is cray-cray. Keep on digging, keep on digging, keep on... Oh my god, this mountain never goes... This mountain never ends! Okay. Not seeing that malachite, though. Where? Let me go back, and I swear if what I saw was just, like, a bounce line peeking out. Go back through here. Yeah, no, that's malachite. Okay, we're just gonna dig straight towards this instead of prancing around this. Gotta do some tough work. More tethers. Okay. Then let's head over here. Okay. Any malachite? Yes, okay. Is that the only piece of malachite? No. You're joking me. There's like no more. Well, oh. Time to go to a different mountain. I'm gonna walk all the way back to base. I'm kind of disappointed that there's no malachite. We did really need that. But then again, it's not like Silva is a completely barren wasteland with no mountain. So look, there's one right over here. Oh, happy days. Yep, I see malachite. Okay. Or at least I think that's malachite. I wish I had like a little zoom feature. Is that malachite? This is malachite. I can't see. Yes, it's malachite. Let's go. Okay, I've got one malachite. I think. Yeah. Honestly, I only really wanted the one malachite so we could. Here, let's see if there's more compound over here so we can make some more tethers. Oh. One. Some more. I think two's good. Where's... There's tethers. Okay. I swear I passed that. Okay. Now, we just gotta go back to base, smelt this malachite. Let's also grab the drill mod to make this easier. Just so we can drill malachite faster. If we even have enough power in order to support the drill mod. We are back. Oh, got turned on. Go ahead and use one of these to get more, resin. Yeah, resin. We're gonna need some more resin if we're wanting to expand the base. Worklight. Finally! I can see! Yes. And we have light. Okay. So, let's... I don't know. Okay. Yeah, let's go get some more malachite. Um, I think we literally just need 2 more pieces in order to complete the quest. Yep, 2 more pieces. And then we should probably expand this base some more so we can, um, once we can get the chemistry lab and the atmospheric condenser, because those are going to be very useful in, trying to further my base more. And I don't know, there's just so many things you need to do in order to get back to the point where I was at. Starting from scratch ain't easy, man. It ain't easy. Well, here's some more resin. I kind of want to save all the natural veins that I'm finding for auto extractors. So, like, that resin vein that I just found, I want to save for an auto extractor. Ammonium veins are going to be useful. I know when I was on Calidor, I literally found an ammonium vein, a graphite vein, and some resin, I think. Resin or compound. So I'm thinking, this is all later game talk, but I'm thinking we should definitely set up an auto extractor at Calidor. Okay. Um, where did I find that malachite? It's like right, yeah, like right here. Grr, where is it? Ah, literally right here. That maketh 1. And, ooh. Yeah, okay. Oh, let's just... Oh, and that maketh 2. Now we head back to base. I'm so used to talking and, um, like, referring to your home as base that whenever I play other video games where it's like chill and cozy, I'm like, alright, let's get back to base. Like, Minecraft, I always refer to it as a base. Here, I refer to it as a base. But like when I'm playing like Animal Crossing and I find like I like finish my farm, I'm like, alright, gotta get back to the base. But yeah, I just find it funny that when you play so much of a certain game, you start to, you know, kind of just adapt the lingo of that game. Can activate on this planet. Please deploy to Glacio. Okay. Um, grr. I want a bigger shuttle. Aluminum alloy, okay. Aluminum and ceramic. Yeah, let's unlock the landing pad. Do we even have aluminum? Aluminium, no. Okay. Gonna have to go get that. Oh, did not mean to move that. Let's grab the 2 ceramic. Wait. Gotta get rid of the drill mod. And... where'd the soil canister go? Oh, there it is. Okay. You know, let's just empty out our soil canisters while I'm here. Yeah, more resin. Okay. Back into the mines for the aluminum. Okay. Yeah, this point is getting low. Okay. How many do we need? Let's grab 2 just to be safe. Okay. I think, okay, good. I can go down here. Yay, there's more! I always have aluminum. In, like, late game, you surprisingly need a lot of aluminum. Let's just try and grab all of it. Okay, I think we got it. Oh, don't want to fall down a deep, deep, dark hole. Okay. Ugh. Let's angle this just right. So we can get back herb. What was that? Okay, I think it was like a little oxygen sound. Oh, blah, I messed up my little slide. Okay. Oh, what? I just collected more? Well, must have missed one. Okay. 2. Okay. I think that's gonna be enough. Let's go smelt this. Let's move these somewhere else. Like, yeah, right up here. There's just enough space. Would you imagine that? Okay. Actually, I think we only needed 1. So... landing pad. Landing pad on another planet. How much does it take to make a field shelter? 8,000 bytes and you need silicone and graphene? Cray cray. Absolutely cray cray. So... yeah, let's place the landing pad on Glacio. Because we don't need to place the landing pad and the field shelter for the mission on the same planet. So, what am I doing? I'm like trying to find where to print this. I think it's over here. Landing. Or maybe it's over here. Maybe it's the large printer. I can find it. Okay, it's over here. Oh, let me move it somewhere else. Okay. Landing pad. There it is. Okay, and I think a landing pad is a small. I think we need to get solar panels for here. Power extender is a medium generator. 2,000 bytes. It requires a copper and a glass. Okay, so... well, I mean, we're gonna be going to Glacio, so we're gonna be getting some, bytes pretty soon. Because if you go into the caves, each tiny little research byte is only... well, not only, it's like 350 bytes, which is a lot. But each research item from an exodynamics research aid is like 7,000, which really helps propel you into unlocking a lot of stuff. Yeah. Right. This is taking a really long time. Sometimes when there's nothing else to do, you just gotta sit there and wait. Actually, we can go get research items. I forgot we had this. Um, let's see. Let's see if one is on the Kia. Ah. Wait, let's back up our tractor. Ah. Well, would you look at that? I got it stuck. Okay. Ah. There we go. The amount of times I have gotten vehicles stuck in this game is amazing. Let me tell you. It is. Its driving physics are certainly unique. I see another research item over here. Go ahead and grab it. So that our little guy carry it, and then he can literally just carry it back to base. I want default. Okay. I don't think I've done any of the gateway chambers before. Like, on this save. Like, I'm doing this entirely without doing the gateway chambers, which is surprising. It's not that I'm not gonna do them. It's just that I don't think I really prioritize them. Like, I guess I'll only really do it if I need the rewards. But, like, I do not need to discover the secrets of the universe. Ah, crap, it's a medium. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna need a bigger space shuttle. Which is... How many bytes? You need aluminum, alloy, and ceramic. Yeah. Next thing we need to unlock is the chemistry lab. Okay, so let's just save this for later. Let's put this, like, right over here. God, I know my base is a mess. This is shameful. These bytes are gonna take a really long time. Should we unlock the chemistry lab or the solar panels first? That's 2,000, and that's, yeah, 1,060. 1,600. Yeah. I'm thinking, let's print some more large platforms. Those are always helpful. I love large platforms. Which means you need to go over here. Which means... I might as well go get some glass. Because... chemistry lab requires glass. And, yep, it's literally all over the place. It's in the ceilings! Let's get, like, 2, because I think we're low on space right now. Oh crap, we got 3. Okay. Three's alright. 3's alright. Um, yeah, let's walk back up. Let's go smelt the quartz, turn it into glass. And then we will have, we still have this thing. I don't know, let's just keep that in our bag in case we need to go to Glacier pretty soon. 627 bytes. It's going so slow. Oh, is this done? Yes, this is done. Okay. Let's put it, like, right here. And yeah, because chemistry lab can go right over here. Then atmospheric condenser should go right here. Okay. Oh, we need those bites and fast. Should we just go to Glacio? No, because we can't carry back any... We can't carry back anything. Not unless we get that shuttle. Medium shuttle, aluminum alloy and ceramic. Chemistry lab, ceramic, glass, and tungsten. So let's get the... Oh no, we have no ceramic. Do we have soil at least? Okay, we have soil. Good, I was almost gonna panic because we had no ceramic. And clay. Get 6 pieces of clay. I love soil centrifuges because in late game there is a certain rover preset you can have where you have a paver on the front with the max drill strength with the soil canister attached. And you can literally just like dig to the core of the earth and back if you have like 2 QT RTGs hooked up to it or just a singular RTG. And it is the most useful for collecting dirt because obviously I love soil centrifuges. But yeah. I had one of those and it was pretty awesome. Okay, let's take this battery off and just put it over... let's put this battery like right over here. Just as emergency power. I think we only needed ceramic, glass, and tungsten. Let's make 2 ceramic. Ceramic, glass, and tungsten. Okay. Okay. Boom. Ceramic. We are almost there. Just 2 enough bites. How many more bites is gonna... 90 bites. This is probably gonna be like 400. We might need another research item. Yeah. Let's grab our tractor and our battery and let's get, like... Oh crap, what's taking up all the power? Okay. Okay. 498. Okay, I think we're good then. I think now we just need to wait for that to unlock. But then what should we do? Should we explore deeper in the caves? Yeah, probably. I don't know. I'm all very confused and turned around. I have so many things going on in my head. Like, I want to do this. I want to do that. I want to build a mega base. I want to do this. But it's all very hard. Because you have to start from scratch. I'm thinking, let's wait till this is done. Print the chemistry lab. And then let's organize our base. Because I definitely really want to go to Glacier this episode. We might not even be able to do that. Because we're already at, like, what, 35 minutes in? This is going so slow. 27 bytes per minute. Okay, it's gonna take like 4 minutes. Jeez, okay. You know what? Let's just reorganize our base now. I think this is connected to the main power supply. And if not, here, let me just do that. Let's disconnect. Let's grab this. Oh. We desperately need solar panels because wind only really comes in at night. And so then that's like half the day you're wasting. Is there anything else? Okay. Okay. Let's just disconnect all this stuff. Oh, and by the way, this is probably not going to be the last time I reorganize my base. I do it like 30 times. Probably more. In the total of my total playthrough. Yeah. Okay. Gotta smooth out this area. Make it all smooth. It doesn't have to be like perfect, but just like, you know, good enough. Now, we just... I definitely want... Okay. I definitely want this to be like storage. Oh, okay. Backpack full. Okay. Storage. And then I want... Oh, no, this. This will be like miscellaneous items. Like everything that's not a resource. Don't worry guys, I have a plan. And let's link those. And then I think in front of it I want the smelting furnace? It is called a smelting furnace, right? Yeah, smelting furnace. I can never remember if it's just called a furnace. Okay. Let's do it like... kind of like that. And then... let's do... let's, I don't know if I should do the soil centrifuges next to it. You know what, let's just expand it some more. Let's just move this tether. So we can expand the base. Also, I was looking at, like, I know, but it's gonna be, like, Reddit posts, of Astroneer. And it was, like, try building a, um, vertical base instead of a horizontal base. Like, build your base up instead of sideways. And I was like, that is a really interesting idea, but there aren't, like, stairs or anything. So I'm like, would you build a ramp? Would you have, like, some sort of elevator system? Would you need a VTOL? I'm like, okay, finally. Researched. Chemistry lab. Then how much do we need for the atmospheric condenser? 220? Or 2020? Let's have all our printers next to each other. Connecting the cables is the most satisfying part. Okay. Good, that's finally done. We only have 124 bytes left, jeez. Yeah. Let's move these over there. Oh, wait, gotta move this next to the other printer. Let's move it kind of like... Yeah, like there. Then, I usually do small printer next to it. And then we can put a battery right there. Come on, okay. And soil centrifuges. We can probably link them, like, this way. Yeah. Beep, beep, beep. Okay. Turn it and, like, right... right here. There's probably a faster way to do that, but it's alright. And then other soil centrifuge. Soil centrifuge. Such a nice word. Yeah. Is this interfering with the house at all? No, not really. There. And then we could put the research chamber, like, at the end. Yeah. Let's twist it, and then let's just... Probably, because we still want, like, an entrance. Sometimes when you get so far in the game, your base stops feeling like a base and more like a compound. Like, ah, yes, this is my completely automated factory line. Atmospheric condenser should go... Let's make it go behind the furnace. Right there. It's a little off-center, but it's all fine. Okay. Now... Let us begin the mass making of medium storages. Is everything connected, though? Are we even connected to the base? Nope. Okay. There. Now everything's connected. Let's put these organics over here. And then we can finally print the chemistry lab. But let's make 1, 2, 3, 4. Medium storage is being made. Oh crap. Come on, wind turbines! Do your wind turbine things. Yeah, next thing we're gonna unlock is the solar panels. Solar panels, 2,000. It's cray cray. Absolutely cray cray. Okay. And then let's... grab all the tungsten and put it somewhere. Okay. Grab this bad boy. Finally! We have an atmospheric. No, chemistry lab. Yes! Okay. Now... Now, if we want to make a medium shuttle, we can do that. But... yeah... we're gonna have to... like... not grind, but... research some more and... do some more stuff. Because we're gonna need a lot more bytes in order if we want to unlock that medium shuttle. And... because we definitely need the medium shuttle so we can go to Glacio and get what's it called? Research aids. Yeah. There. Everything is unique and not unique. Everything is organized. Finally making some carbon. Do we have medium generators unlocked? We do have medium generators unlocked. Aluminum and tungsten. Yeah. Let's make a medium generator. Over here. The medium generator runs on carbon, and voila, we just got carbon. I think, honestly, that's gonna be the last thing we do. Because we're gonna need to do a lot before we go to Glacio. Medium generator can go over here. Yeah, produces 9 units per second. I don't know. Let's move our tractor a little bit closer. Tractor. Yeah, I think that's all we're gonna do for this episode. We reorganized the base. We unlocked the chemistry lab. And overall, we just did a lot of the small stuff that needs to be done. So yeah, next episode. Probably gonna be more researching, more unlocking. Because big thing we want to get. How many bytes do we need? I think like, yeah, 3,750. Yeah. So next episode is gonna be, hopefully it's gonna be big. But I will see you guys all in the next episode. Bye!